how to create alarm on iPhone 12 and all iPhone 12 series. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, maybe iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, then this video is going to walk you through how you can create your alarm on your device. So if I don't have this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to create alarm on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the clock app. Then once you open it, you'll be taken to the word clock first, then click on alarms. Click on the plus icon at the top right to create your first alarm, or if you have an existing alarm you want to create another one, just go ahead and click on the plus icon at the top right. Then here, set your alarm. So here I'm going to set my alarm to 5:30 a.m. So you can set your alarm to whatever that pleases you. Then come to repeat alarm. If you want to repeat your alarm, just choose where you want the alarm to repeat itself. Then after that, come here and give your alarm a label. So I can just say iPhone 12 alarm. So just give your alarm a label to easily identify it. Then come here and click on sound to choose alarm sound. So you can choose whatever that pleases you here, and you may also choose to turn on haptics. So in this case, I would prefer to use none, so that it will not vibrate when the alarm rings. Then if you have a song on your Happy Music library, click on pick a song, then go ahead and take that. So here, I'm just going to pick one of the songs I have here. Hit the back button, then go ahead and click on the save button at the top right. Now, once you click on the save button, choose the alarm set on your iPhone, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to create alarm on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.